So your loved one received a DS-5535. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. You have filed your I-130. You've waited forever for USCIS to approve the case. You have been very, very diligent in making sure that USCIS approves the case, and after about a year or 14 months of waiting, they do. Then your case gets sent to the National Visa Center, which is the new agency. It's the State Department. It's where they process the case and they get it all ready for an interview. You wait and wait and wait for your case to be documentarily qualified, DQ'd. And then you're put in the queue and waiting for an interview. Your spouse or your parent or your fiance, whoever it is, they keep waiting, they keep waiting. They get that interview. They show up at the interview, they bring all their documents, they're ready to go. And instead of receiving an approval and a visa stamp, they receive a administrative processing sheet and they're told to complete a DS-5535. The DS-5535 is a form that the State Department has developed to ask for a lot of information that they were already asking for. They might have asked in the DS-260 or the DS-160 if it's a fiance case, and it's asking for lots of social media information, background information, travel information, address information, and really all that the DS-5535 is a delay tactic. I can't tell you how many people tell me that their spouse or their fiance or their parent or their sibling went to the interview, completed the interview, and brought everything with them, and then were given a DS-5535. Some embassies really abuse this form. It is nothing more than another delay tactic by this agency. It doesn't provide any new information. As far as we know, they don't conduct any additional investigation with this information. This is simply the State Department slowing down your immigration case. Some embassies are horrible with the DS-5535. I'm calling out Montreal in particular and Amman, Jordan as the two that use this tool the most to slow down immigration to the United States. I think it's an absolute outrage. We're researching right now the legality of it. We don't know whether USCIS and the State Department followed the rules when the State Department decided to adopt the DS-5535, but we've seen tons of people get the DS-5535, provide all the information within a day, and then their case just goes into that black hole. So if you are experiencing major delays because of the DS-5535, the State Department is slowing down your case, you've done everything you possibly can, and you've waited months and months after your spouse or fiance or family members interview at the embassy, you probably need to file a writ of mandamus. You probably need to sue the State Department in federal court in the United States to try to get them to issue a final decision on your case. The DS-5535, like I said, it's nothing more than a delay tactic, and the only way to fight back when you get administrative processing for months and months after its issuance is to sue them in federal court with a writ of mandamus. If you're having questions about this, if you have a loved one whose case has been delayed by a DS-5535 and you want our help, give us a call, 314-961-8200. Email us info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. You can also join us in our Facebook group. It's called Immigrant Home. We'd love to have you join us there. It's a place where thousands of immigrants and those who love them talk about the immigration process every day. We also have our YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. Just look for me, Jim Hacking, on YouTube. Subscribe and make sure that you hit the alert bell so that whenever we make a new video or do our Immigration Answers live show, you'll get alerted right away. We do that show 3 or 4 times a week, and that's just me answering people's immigration questions for free for a full hour. Finally, if you're not following us on TikTok, we have a lot of fun on TikTok at Immigration Hacking, all one word. We'd love to have you follow us there. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.